Hey everybody, today we're going to be replacing the taillight bulb, which is also our brake light, on the driver's side rear of our 2016 Nissan Rogue. So these screws, we're going to take a 10mm socket to remove those, maybe 4 of them. Once those are removed, this piece pops off. And the taillight assembly, which should slide out. It takes some wiggling to get it loose. It's been a while since you've had it out. Let's see. Check, it's not the amber bulb. So you can see one of the filaments is out. This bulb right here. Okay. So this is 7443, the bulb to replace this. Okay. This connects back in. Okay. And this piece will clip back in. Want to make sure all your clips are lined up. Don't want to apply too much pressure and potentially break something. Put your screws back in. All right, there you go. Have a great day.